And so here's the final wall for the bathroom, and we are framing the doorway for the bathroom door right here. So we've got what they call the king plates right there, and then the jack plates right there, and then there'll be the headers going up here that'll sit up there. The door that'll be going in there, and that door along with that framed wall will fit in this opening right here. So yay, we will have one more wall, and then the only wall we'll need is, like I said, right here. Okay, so here's the bathroom wall and the door opening right here. You can see it's got the, like I said, have the jack studs and the king studs, and then whatever you call them, cripple, whoever, whatever's in there. And so now comes the test. We'll pick it up and put it in. Okay, and there it is. The framing is in there. So now we're going to set the door in and see how that goes. Yeah, I'm just going to help you.
Oh, you gotta get that one out. Where's your hacksaw? Oh, we gotta pump these things out.
We got what?
Gotta pump this out.
Oh, this one too. What is this? Oh, this is just.
I know, but I assume it's not necessarily supposed to be there, is it, or is it?
What is it? Those little green things?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Go a little further in.
To me, it looks good.
How far does it go?
Hold on.
That looks good.
Oh, 'cause I don't know how.
It really does.
I'm trying to get it front to back even. You know, something's got to be even first. And then we got to like the level on it.
This is
You got it?
scaring me so badly.
Why?
Like,
No, it's taking that long.
this is like a little tiny house.
Okay. That took
It's a
too much.
bathroom.
Too much. Okay, well,
It's gonna be,
It's gonna have to go that way, the bubble's that way. You gotta
Oh,
go that
okay.
way.
a little more.
mid.
Close. And there we go. We have a bathroom door. And a framed wall.
Hi, fun daddy.
So this will be the bathroom. Come in, open the door. Shower will be right here. Then a sink right here, and then the potty will be back here in this corner right back here. It's gonna section off here. Yeah, pretty soon I can have a toilet.
You had the password toilet of my toilet?
Yep.
Of my meal?